Welcome to WGU Prep YouTube channel. Access all practice questions. Introduction to Biology. Practice questions with answers. Question 1. Which of the following is the basic unit of life? A. Tissue structure. B. Organ system. C. Cell unit. D. Body organ. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Cell unit. Explanation. The cell is the smallest unit capable of carrying out all life processes, including metabolism, growth, and reproduction. Question 2. Which organelle is responsible for energy production in cells? A. Nucleus control. B. Ribosome site. C. Golgi apparatus. D. Mitochondria function. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. Mitochondria function. Explanation. Mitochondria produce energy in the form of ATP through cellular respiration, making them essential for cell function. Question 3. Which molecule carries genetic information in cells? A. Protein chain. B. DNA molecule. C. Lipid layer. D. Enzyme structure. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. DNA molecule. Explanation. DNA contains the genetic instructions used in growth, development, and reproduction of all living organisms. Question 4. What is the process by which plants make their own food? A. Cellular respiration. B. Photosynthesis process. C. Protein synthesis. D. Energy transfer. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Photosynthesis process. Explanation. Photosynthesis allows plants to convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose and oxygen. Question 5. Which structure controls what enters and leaves the cell? A. Cell membrane. B. Nuclear envelope. C. Cytoplasm fluid. D. Mitochondria wall. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Cell membrane. Explanation. The cell membrane regulates the movement of substances in and out of the cell, maintaining internal balance. Question 6. Which type of cell does not contain a nucleus? A. Eukaryotic cell. B. Animal cell. C. Prokaryotic cell. D. Plant cell. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Prokaryotic cell. Explanation. Prokaryotic cells lack a membrane-bound nucleus and other organelles, unlike eukaryotic cells. Question 7. Which macromolecule is the main source of energy for the body? A. Lipid molecules. B. Protein chains. C. Carbohydrate molecules. D. Nucleic acids. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Carbohydrate molecules. Explanation. Carbohydrates are the body's primary energy source, providing quick energy for cellular activities. Question 8. Which process describes cell division for growth and repair? A. Meiosis process. B. Mitosis division. C. Photosynthesis process. D. Diffusion process. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Mitosis division. Explanation. Mitosis produces identical cells for growth and tissue repair, maintaining the same chromosome number. Question 9. Which level of organization includes similar cells working together? A. Organ system. B. tissue level. C, cellular level. D, organ level. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B, tissue level. Explanation. Tissues are groups of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function. Question 10. Which process moves molecules from high to low concentration? A, active transport. B, osmosis process. C, diffusion process. D, endocytosis method. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C, diffusion process. Explanation. Diffusion is the movement of molecules from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration without energy input. Thank you for watching. For more practice questions, subscribe to our website at wgupracticequestions.com.